Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best decompression back belts that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Mueller 255 Lumbar Support Back Brace. This back support brace for women and men has a removable lumbar pad that cushions and compresses the lower back and can be removed when less back support is needed. This back brace for lower back pain features a double-layer design that provides a custom fit for both women and men. This back support brace allows for adjustable compression to the abdomen and lower back, helping to provide relief from lower back pain. This lower back brace has 4 flexible steel springs that conform to your lower back. They provide firm lower back support, stability and limit unwanted back movements that can cause lower back pain. This back support brace for lower back pain is made of breathable materials, making it comfortable to wear all day long. Muller Sports Medicine has been a trusted leader in sports medicine for over 60 years and is committed to helping you reduce pain through our popular line of back braces and supports. At number 4. Muller Adjustable Back Brace. This adjustable back brace provides firm, comfortable support to help relieve back pain. Ideal for back strains and sprains, moderate disc and arthritic conditions, sciatica, muscle spasms, chronic unstable lumbar spine, and strains of sacroiliac area. 8 supportive steel springs conform to your back and provide firm lumbar support. Tapered cut provides a comfortable fit for men and women. Main elastic band is 9 inches high and creates broad support. Second outer elastic straps are 4 inches high and allow for adjustable tension. At number 3. VOLLUCK Decompression Back Support Back Pain. This is a high-quality decompression that provides a custom fit for most users. This is because the is adjustable from 29 to 49 inches, thus a selection that will you better. In addition to this, the unit is inflatable to bring about maximum compression around the waist. The unit aids in stretching and relieving the pain at the lower back muscles and stiffness. This means that it will leave you relaxed and comfy for drug-free pain relief. The unit has been built using a soft inner cotton lining that offers excellent decompression, and with the exterior material, it will serve you longer just as needed. At number 2. Dr. Ho's Decompression for Back. The quality of the material that makes the decompression is a feature to think about when making the purchase. This is a pick of decompression that is designed using premium quality material and a soft inner lining. Due to this, the unit will guarantee long-term use plus a soft feel. Other than this, the unit provides excellent stiff relief to manage the lower back pain. More interestingly, it has an adjustable length of 25 to 41 inches, making it a great pick for all users. Also, the unit is highly versatile as you can use it for managing pain around the waist and lower back. You can use it when relaxing, driving, and walking among others. Finally at number 1. ZSZBACE Lumbar Spinal-air Decompression Brace. The providing clinical-grade traction and decompression therapy, enjoying a magnetotherapy with 2 magnets. Can be used during activities, or while resting and relaxing, such as walking, sitting, lying down, gardening, golfing, working, driving, etc. Through traction, reduce the burden around ligament, bring good rest for damaged lumbar fibrous ring, and stretch and relieve tight lower back muscles and relieve lower back pain and stiffness. The most effective traction effect is obtained when the air pillars of belt are fully inflated. It is recommended that initially the belt be worn for 30 to 60 minutes at a time. If no side effects or pain is experienced, then the usage time can be periodically extended. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.